What's goody grind family? Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $399 over and over again under 5 minutes. Now, if that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $399 again and again in under 5 minutes. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. Now, won't you do me a favor? Hit that like button and drop a comment down below if you have a question about this video. And please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been dropped. Now, before I get into this method, check out what I have in the description below. Scroll down there where it says free giveaways. Now, to get these free giveaways, you have to be subscribed to this channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button right now. And then scroll down to the bottom in the description and click on the link where it says free giveaways. And this link will take you to a website where you will see 3 free gifts that you can download just for you to use on your journey to making money online. I also have some other cool stuff in the description below. If you need some money right now, there's a link for that. And if you need more views and subscribers for your YouTube channel, there's a link for that. So check all that out in the description below. Now, please watch this video to the very end so you'll know every step you need to take to make $399 again and again in under 5 minutes. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. So let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm on this website. It's called 99 Designs. So this is the first website you're going to use. And what you're going to do is scroll down here. Let's just read what this website is about. So Designs makes anything possible. Get a custom design you love with our global creative platform. 99 Designs is the best place to find and hire talented designers to grow your business. So you're probably asking why we're going to use this website. Or what we're going to do is we're going to place logos on this website for people to purchase. So we're going to scroll down here and go to right here where it says design contest. Click on that. And right here, so design contest, dozens of designs, pick your favorite. Answer a few questions, get dozens of designs, and pick your favorite. Start a design contest today. So what you're going to do is apply for these contests right here where it says okay, like the first one right here, it says Good Green Life Organics plant-based nutrition supplement line wants to attract both vegans and meat eaters alike. So they want a logo that will attract vegans and meat lovers. So let's just click on here right quick. So this contest is completed. So they went ahead and went with this design right here. So they purchased this design from somebody that entered the contest. So right here where it says a winner was selected from 53 designs submitted by 12 freelance designers. So it was 53 designs submitted and 12 freelance designers, and this is what they went ahead and picked out that one, and they received, let's go back, and they received $299. So here's another one that's $299. Okay, all these are completed, but you know, once you sign up, they're gonna show you all the ones that are not completed, meaning that you can apply or submit your logo to win in a contest. So I'm just showing you how much you can win here: $299, $399. So you can submit for a lot of these contests to these companies that's looking for designs. All right, now you're probably wondering how you're going to make this design because you're not a good graphic designer. Well, we're going to go to this next website, and I'm going to show you how you can get a design logo, design your own logo for free. Okay, I'm at this website called Free Logo Design, and you're going to use this website to make your logo. All right, all you have to do is go here where it says enter company name. So let's use this name, for example, Savvy Tech. And then right here, you're going to go to categories, click on there, and let's do internet, and then just click get started. It's going to take you to this page here, and voila, there's the logo. And as you can see, they have 4 pages of logos you can go through. And what you're going to do to pick the right logo for the company that's looking for logos, once you sign up with the other website, 99 Designs, you're going to scroll where it says contest, enter contest, and whatever one you pick, you're going to read what type of logo they're looking for, because they usually describe what type of logo they're looking for, the colors, and what they want the logo to represent. So once you find that out, you just go here, scroll through all the designs here, and pick the best one that they're looking for. So that's it. All right, now you know the websites you need to use right now that will earn you $399 again and again in under 5 minutes. So go ahead and go to those websites, make that free logo, submit the logo on the other website, and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. Please do me a favor and smash that like button. And let's get 25 likes, guys, because the more likes I get, the more YouTube will push this video to more potential viewers. Because if I get more viewers, that means more potential subscribers, because I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Once I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away some money. Not to just one person, no, not to 2 people, but 3 people. I'm going to give away money to 3 people once I get to 1,000 subscribers. So let's hit that like button. Like if I see 25 views, I want to see 25 likes. And also drop a comment down below. Comments also help push videos out there to be seen more by more potential viewers. So let's drop that comment down below, if you have a question or anything. And please share this all around the internet to every social media platform. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped, because I make videos like this almost every day. All right, that's it. I'm finished. Again, subscribers, no, not subscribers. That's not what you guys are called. Grind family, because you guys are family. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching all my videos. And you're going to continue to watch. I'm going to continue to keep dropping all these videos that will show you how to make money online, become your own boss. All right. Until the next video, I just want to say, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Deuces.
This is App Grind TV.